సో FISD. SD అంటే ఏంటి సార్?
సార్ ఒక్క నిమిషం.
Yep.
హలో.
మనకి PO అండ్ నాన్ PO, రైట్? సిమిలర్లీ ఇక్కడ కూడా అంతే, SO, నాన్ SO. నాన్ SO అంటే డైరెక్ట్గా వితౌట్ ఎనీ రెఫరెన్స్ టు ది మెటీరియల్. ఓకే, సో ఇది డైరెక్ట్ FI ట్రాన్సాక్షన్ FB70 చేస్తాం, కస్టమర్ ఇన్వాయిస్. ఇక్కడ మీరు ఏం చేశారు? FB60 చేశారు, రైట్?
రైట్.
FB65 చేసాం, క్రెడిట్ మెమో సంథింగ్. ఓకే, సో ఇక్కడ మీరు ప్రాసెస్ ఫాలో అయ్యారు, పర్చేస్ ఆర్డర్, తర్వాత ME21N, సో నథింగ్, గూడ్స్ రిసిప్ట్, తర్వాత ఇన్వాయిస్ రిసిప్ట్. మరి ఇక్కడ కూడా ప్రాసెస్ ఉండాలి, రైట్? సో సేల్స్ ఆర్డర్, డెలివరీ, దాంట్లో పికింగ్, ప్యాకింగ్, గూడ్స్ ఇష్యూ. పికింగ్ ఒకటి ఉంటుంది, ప్యాకింగ్ ఉంటుంది, గూడ్స్ ఇష్యూ ఉంటుంది, బిల్లింగ్ ఉంటుంది, కస్టమర్కి బిల్లింగ్ ఇవ్వాలి, రైట్? పేమెంట్ ఉంటుంది, కస్టమర్ పేమెంట్ ఉంటుంది. సో దిస్ ఇస్ వేర్ యూ హ్యావ్ ద సేల్స్ ఆర్డర్ ప్రాసెస్. సో FISDని మామూలుగా కొన్ని ప్రాసెసెస్ ఉంటాయి. ఇప్పుడు దీన్ని మనం ఏమంటాం? P2P ప్రాసెస్ అంటాం. P2P ప్రాసెస్, పర్చేస్ టు పే, P2P ప్రాసెస్. అలాగే దీన్ని ఏమంటాం? OTC ప్రాసెస్ అంటాం, OTC, ఆర్డర్ టు క్యాష్ ప్రాసెస్. ఓకే, సో the configuration settings similarly like FIMM configuration settings will be done by MM consultant, SD settings will be done by SD consultant. But our area, since we are from the FI's team, so our area will be only assigning the GL accounts. Okay, so the account determination part will be taking care. Anything related to account determination part will be taking care. Okay, so for the FIMM we are using OBYC transaction. For FISD we are using VKOA. Here we have transaction keys, here we have access sequence. Okay, ఇక్కడ ట్రాన్సాక్షన్ కీస్ మీద జీఎల్ అకౌంట్స్ డెరైవ్ అవుతుంది. ఓకే, తర్వాత ఇక్కడనేమో వికేఓఏ యాక్సెన్స్ సీక్వెన్స్ మీద డెరైవ్ అవుతుంది. I'll explain this. యాక్సెస్ సీక్వెన్స్ అంటే కాంబినేషన్స్ చెక్ చేసుకుంటుంది, జీఎల్ అకౌంట్ ఎక్కడ ఉంటే అక్కడ పట్టుకొస్తుంది. సో now let us understand this process. But customer master, we already have some couple of customer masters where we created only for the FI related. So I mean general data, and we have company code data, right? This is what we created for the customer master, right? General data and company code data. But when you are, if you want to post transactions via sales order, we need to extend it to the sales organization. Okay, sales organization, we have to extend. So sales organization is created between 1:1 company code and sales organization, between company code and sales organization. But so this is something that they will decide. We are not the persons, because sales team, sales and distribution consultant will define all the settings related to SD. But so we already created one customer, we extended to company code, we updated the details under general data, data details and so on. But if you want to post some transactions related to this customer against the sales organization, against the sales order, then the customer should be extended to sales organization. So ఇది ఎలా ఎక్స్టెండ్ చేస్తాం? దీనికి మనం ఏం చేస్తాం? దీనికి 000 రోల్ ఉంది, రైట్? అగ్రీ? కంపెనీ కోడ్కి FLCU00 ఉంది, FL ఇది వచ్చేసి FLCU01. This is your sales orientation role. This is your normal general data role. Sir, do you remember at least these two?
Yeah.
Okay, the same again. There are certain parameters that we need to assign in the customer master for the sales organization view, and we need to define all the configuration settings. So since this is a training server, we need to define all the configuration settings for SD related. So let us create your SD related configuration settings. Now this is very big exercise, sir. So here enter your user and password. So SPRO IMG. Now come back to the configuration settings. Sir, these are all SD related. It's a basic.
Mm-hmm.
Like us, we have company code, fiscally variant, all those interrupt structure settings are there, right? Creation of ledgers and so on. Similarly, for the SD related, we have sales organization, distribution, channel division. All these are different organizational elements, units. So let us create one by one. Sir, as I mentioned, this is a training service, so we need to do the configuration settings to test all scenarios. So creation of sales organization. So this comes under uh, enterprise structure setting. So definition. So sales and distribution. See here. Define copy deletes check sales organization. So what is sales organization? Sales organization is a unit which considers all sales related activities, like similar to your purchasing organization. Purchasing organization will take care of all purchasing related activities. Similarly, sales organization also will take care of sales related activities. It's an organization unit which is usually it is created between 1:1 company code and sales organization. If you have 5 company codes, so 5 sales orgs will be created. So execute, sir. One more thing, if you want to go through the documentation, you can go through the, sir. Many SAP has provided a lot of documentation for each setting, but it's a little technical to understand. But you can what do you say? Either you can use Chat GPT or something else. It is more clearly they have mentioned, sir. But still, so execute this setting. Define sales organization. So here we can create your own sales organization. Let us create our own. What is our company code, sir? Tell you, right? I'm just giving the
Till
same. I'm just giving the same identification. So it's easy to remember. So sales organization for Telu. Currency INR. Calendar is the standard one, which is factory calendar. Standard, I'm just giving standard one. This is for the purchaser that is not required. This is sufficient. Click on save. So you'll get this message. Ignore it. Now enter the sales organization details. So Telu sales organization and give your country and click on continue. So you can change your company code. Control F. Telu. Telus group. Telus group. Continue. So we created one sales organization, sir. So like this, you'll create n number of sales organization based on the business requirement. If the client has
okay.
something 10 company codes, so 10 sales organization will be created. But we don't need to worry, sir, because this is something that SD team will do all these activities. But as a
Mm-hmm.
consultant, as a FI consultant also, we should understand the at least definition, why this is created, why this is created. So next one, distribution channel. Distribution channel, how, sir, just imagine you have one company code, you're already manufacturing some goods now, right? You want to distribute
Mm-hmm.
your goods. How you distribute, sir? Either wholesale, right? Either or
Right.
by retail or direct sales. Okay, direct sales, like example, if you take consider country delight, they're direct, there are no intermediaries, direct, they're selling to the customer sales, end consumers itself. So similarly, you have see here wholesaler, service, direct sales, you have different kind of distributors, distribution channels. We can say distribution channel. So new entries, just create one distribution channel for. I'm just giving this distribution channel for. So it's not sufficient. Description is not sufficient. I'll do it like this. Present and save. So we created one distribution channel. Now what is the third setting? Now come back to the, so we created two. Now third one, creation of division. So division comes under logistics general. So it is not under sales and distribution. Close this one, logistics general. So division. So sorry, this is a division. So what is the division? Again depends. depends like what are the different divisions you have. For example, if you are like implementing for a pharmaceutical industry, you have different departments, right? So gynecology,
Right.
gynec department, or orthopedic department, or physiotherapy department. So you have different types of divisions. Okay, like if
Mm.
you consider for any IT company, you have different like each technology wise. Otherwise, BPO side or IT side. Okay, so you can define different divisions. So if you look at your spare parts or their components, so they have defined according as per some are provided by SAP and some are created by like us, other users, trainings.
Okay.
New entries, I'll create one division. Again, the same thing, I'll take it TE and division for Telu. Press enter, save. Let us put it like this. Now, come back to the. So we defined three settings. What are the three settings we defined, sir? One is a sales organization, second is distribution channel, division. Three configuration settings we
Division.
define. Now it's a combination of assignment. So assigning sales orders to the company code, assigning
Um,
distribution channel to the sales organization, assigning division to the sales organization. And one more thing, the combination of three, it is equal to sales area. Sales organization
mm,
plus distribution channel plus division. That is called sales area. We'll come back to here, but let us assign these three settings. So go back to the assignment, assignment. So close this one. So definition assignment. So under assignment, financial accounting, assign company code to company. Gee, sorry. Sales and distribution, assign sales organization to company code. So I'm assigning sales orders to company code first. Go to the position. So sales orders again the same thing. It is very easy for us, giving the same identification. Press enter, save. So what I've done here is just assign the sales organization to the company code. Assign distribution channel to the sales organization. So here there is go to the new entries. So sales charge is Telu. What is the distribution channel, sir? Is it Telu or TE? It's a two
T.
character. Okay, click on
Mm.
save. So this is also fine. We assigned the distribution channel and sales organization. Two settings has been done. And coming back to the assign division to sales organization, we have the another one also here itself. So assign division to the sales organization for new content. So this is your Telu, and this is your this is also T division. So click on save, continue. Okay, come back. So what we have done, we created three settings and we assigned three settings. This is what we done, sir. Now let us understand sales area, OVXG. OVXG. What is OVXG? Set up sales area. So sales organization, distribution channel, division. Okay. Here itself. So under sales and
Mm.
distribution itself, we have this setup sales area. Execute it. New entries. Sales organization is a Telu, and your distribution channel is a TE, and also your TE. So as I mentioned earlier, sir, that sales area is a combination of sales organization, distribution channel, division. Okay,
T.
three together called as the sales area. So click on save. Save now. So this is done. Now let us understand assign sales organization and distribution channel to the plant. The plant is coming now. Assign sales organization and distribution channel to plant. So here we have, sir. So you can ignore these settings which are not really mandatory for us to proceed for our testing. So assign sales organization, distribution channel, plant. So execute it. New entries. Says sales organization is a Telu, and our distribution channel is a TE, and our plant is Telu. Press enter. So plant, click on save, continue. Okay. So again, go back to the, so all these settings are definition and assignments only, sir. Nothing major here. Okay. And coming back to the business area account assignment. So here business area also can be assigned to this respect to sales area. So here we don't, okay, define rules by sales area. So come back here. Here itself it is there. Business area account assignments. Define rules by sales area, assign business area to plant and division, assign business area by sales area. So what we have? So define rules by sales area, assign business area to plant and division. The first one, define rules by sales area. So position, our sales organization is Telu. Yes, this is fine. A rule. What is the rule? Which one you want? You want business area determination for plant and division. This is the first one. Click on save. From plant and division, your business area should get picked. So that's the reason we have to assign this one. Assign business area to plant. If in case if you are assigning the second one, then you have to assign here. Okay. Plant and division. So position and plant is Telu again here. So then we have to create new entries. So what is Telu, plant, and our business area is? Do we have any business area, sir? TEHD something we created, right?
Yes.
Yeah, Telu, Hyderabad. Click on save. So SCP has provided one more setting here. It's up to you. It's an option because we already deriving business area based on the plant and division. If you want to derive business area based on the sales area, then sales organization, distribution channel division. Give business area. Okay. So come back and we because we already defined here. That is sufficient and we closed. I mean we updated most of the configuration settings till here. Business area assignment. So any doubts till here? The setting
No,
up of
clear.
all the config. So right now come back to the so till here we completed row number 477. Now shipping point. So shipping point is a place where you load the materials or download the materials, right? So shipping point here. So shipping point comes under logistics execution. Define. So go. There is no T code here. Logistics execution. See here. Define shipping point. Let us see. Define shipping point and definition of loading points also. So here define shipping point. Let us create one shipping point. So I'm just using the same identification TELU and the shipping point for Telu. So what else we have? Factory calendar. You can give a standard one. Just click on save. So give the shipping point address. So shipping Telu's shipping point. Typically you will have shipping points in the plant place, sir. So where you load the
Mm-hmm.
data. See where you load the inventory, whether raw material or finished goods. So under shipping point you may, I mean under plant, under shipping point you may have a number of loading points.
Mm-hmm.
Now let us create one loading point. That's what it is mentioned here. Okay. Shipping point, ID, description, factor calendar, save title, company. So this is done. Loading point, shipping point, receiving point, loading point. This is also something normal identification. So under which shipping point you want to create loading point here. So shipping point you have to mention. Telu. Under shipping point you have to mention loading point. So I'll just give the same thing as loading point also. Responsibility ABC some value and description loading point. Telu. Press enter, save. We continue. So this is also done. Come back to the configuration. Assign shipping point to plant. So this is something again new one for us. Assign shipping point to plant. Assign shipping point to plant. Just close the definition. Assignment execution. Assign shipping point to plant. Here we have, sir. Okay. So here Control F. So you will have Telu. We have Telu here. So Telu we have. Click on assignment. What is the assignment? So here also we should select it. Telu. So click on Telu shipping point. Is that clear, sir?
Yeah.
Continue. So basically what we are doing. So we are assigning plant to shipping point. Here it's there. I have used this one. That's it. Click on save. Click on continue. Come back. Okay, now come back to the this is something little tricky settings are here. So all
Okay.
some little no, I don't say complicated, but tricky settings from the SD side. Now let us understand. Assign sales area to sales document types. So sales orders might be different to sales orders. So that those are called document types. So if you look at here, we are creating one under first set. Okay, there are four steps here. Combine sales organization, position, sales or different sales organization, document ID, say back. Combine distribution channel, position, sales order, distribution. This is a distribution channel, reference distribution. So basically, you are like assigning some standard document type to the sales area. That's the conclusion. Let us understand OVA0. Even I'm not very sure, sir, with the path slash OVA0. But who will be defining all these settings, sir, in real time?
SD consultant.
Yep. So OVAO, it is not zero. OVAO. O slash NOVAO. Now, combined sales organizations. So you are just giving the reference position, Telu, nothing much here. I'm not pretty sure why we are defining as a reference sales organization. Press enter. Check the existing conversion for distribution channel division. Just ignore the message. Click on save. Continue. Click on back. Okay. So here the first one is done. The second one. Okay. So we are not able to see the all the second third steps, right, sir? We have done only the first setting. We have done
Mm-hmm.
only first setting, but what about the other settings? So better to go with the path. We need to search, sir. So let us search this one. Assign sales areas to document types. So how do you search? SPRO, SPRO, IMG. So here Control F, Control V. Sorry, it will not copy. This is a different system, right? So assign sales area to sales document types. Assign sales area to sales document types or type. Huh, looks like it is searching something. So it could be under sales only, right, sir? Sales and distribution. So it is coming under sales.
Hmm.
So it will be under sales and distribution here. If you are not able to get, we'll go to the path then. So the more the path, so if you're like going always with the path, that is very good because you learn a number of what do you say settings and everything.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
So don't go by transaction code always, go with the path. If it is something emergency, use the transaction codes. Otherwise, if you have some time, then you can explore the path only. So say under sales and distribution, under sales and documents, under sales document header, we have this one, assign sales area to sales document type. So basically we're assigning sales. So you have all the combinations here. This is what we seen in the Excel tracker. This one, all four settings here. Okay.
Yeah.
So come back to the combined sales organization. This is already done. The first setting, which is a Tellu. Here also we assigned the Tellu only. Come back and assign distribution channel. Here also just assign your reference distribution channel. So Tellu, click on continue. Just give your distribution channel as a TE. Press enter. Click on save and continue. Come back to the division also we created as a TE. So sales organization is Tellu. Just give the same thing as a reference division. TE. Continue. Click on save. Continue. Come back. So we have updated these three. We assigned reference sales organization as the same identification. Assign sales document types permitted to for sales area. This is important one. New entries. So define 01 000 106. Ignore it. Let us assign ours. So what reference sales organization is a Telu? Yep. And the reference ID is a TE and your division also TE, and assign your sales order type, nothing but order. This is standard order. Sales is standard order.
Okay.
So SD, you can check search for the SO standard order. See, not rush order but standard order. See, not SO sir, it is OR, standard order. Okay, so we are
Mm-hmm.
using standard order. Click on save. Continue. Sir, if you have n number of sales order, the combinations will change. Okay. Um, So we have assigned the sales area to um, the standard order document type, which is called. So this is the one thing. Okay. Now the another main important thing here also we have certain settings. Here also set up partner determination for customer master. So sir, to keep it very simple. So what kind of parties will see, sir? You have company you are selling to the goods to the customer. Now customer will say, sir, please don't send goods to us, send it to some other location. So the
Mm-hmm.
one customer, I mean, from the customer side only one from one side he's saying that send billing to me, but send goods to another person. So basically, what you say, ship to party, correct? And bill to party will the another person. And one more, the person who receives the bill, he says that no, don't, I'll be not making payment, sir. The another person will be making payment. So he's the payer, bill to payer, right? So it depends. Those are called as different partner functions. Like if you look at here, ship to party, and so if you look at here, payer, bill to party, ship to party, sold to party. Okay, so that the different partner functions are there here. So let us create, like we need to assign our relevant sales organization sales area to the partner functions, determination of partner functions. So set up partner determination for customer master, partner determination procedure. Some identification we need to define the first setting. Okay, select BTP. So let us create like this one, select BTP. This is your second step, and this is your third step, and this is your looks like fourth step. Okay, let us go one by one. Set up partner determination for customer master. So where is the path? No T code, no path. Basic functions. Okay, let us go with the uh, always better, sir. Control F, partner determination. Oh shit. Control F, partner determination. Partner determination. Okay, set up partner determination. Comes under basic functions of the sales order, sir. Okay, many are there, but we need something related to sales and distribution. Click on continue. So partner determination is coming under basic settings. So it is coming under where, sir? So sales and distribution, basic functions, set up partner determination.
Mm.
Okay. So let me
Okay.
write it here. Sales and distribution, basic functions. Someone has removed it, sir. I'm giving access to everyone this document.
Okay.
Sales and distribution and partner determination. This will be sufficient.
Yes.
Okay, let us create now set up partner determination here. You have many are there here. That's the reason here also we have many, very big one. So let us create one by one. Set up partner determination for customer and supplier master also. But since we are learning CSD, sales and distribution, this is not required, this is required. So double click here, click on position, partner, no, we need to define new entries. Okay, click on new entries, partner determination, So let us give the same thing, Telu partner determination procedure. So I'm just giving partner determination procedure for Telu. Okay. Select a key from allowed namespace. Ignore it. Select your. So let's first save it, sir. Otherwise, that will be better. Now, select your and click on partner functions in procedure. So here we have to define all your functions. So all your functions like ship to party and your sold to party and your bill to party and payer. So what are the differences, sir? Ship to party, the person to whom we are sending the goods. Sold to
Okay.
party, to whom we are selling the goods. Bill to party, to whom we are sending the bill to the party. Payer, the person who makes the payment. So we have different kinds of parties are there here. So what is this one? No change possible. Partner mandatory, not required. Press enter. So let us check once whether we have updated the right one. So here what we did, set up partner determination. This is done, right? We created one identification. Second one,
Mm.
select PDP. And we selected the PDP partner functions and procedures SP, SH, BP, PY. Say this is done. Now third one, partner determination procedure assignment. Under that position, account group F4, PDP F4 save. Okay, so basically we are assigning account groups. Sir, you remember we defined one customer account group. Partner
Mm.
determination procedure assignment. This is the one partner procedure assignment. So double click here. So click on new entries. So new entries. Why? Now position account group. This is coming by default. Account group. Do you remember, sir? Telu domestic CD. This is, I think, if I'm not wrong, domestic customers for Telu. That is correct. So partner determination procedure. So remove this one. We defined one partner determination. I think we had given Telu only, right, sir?
Till yeah.
Neutral Telu. So Telu, click on save. So now what is the next one? Third also completed. Now fourth, this is also done. Now this is a fourth one. Account groups partner function as an account. So this is a continue, I think. Do you have account groups here? No, this is another one, sir. Account groups partner function. This is a fourth one. Here as an account group F4. So basically partner for this is the one, not this one, but this one. Double click here, click on new entries. So this is your partner function. This is your account group. So partner functions again SP, SH, BP, PY. So this is your account group. So we already have account group TEDC, TEDC. This is the one. So at the time of accounts receivable, we defined account groups, right, sir?
Yeah.
TEDC and this is also TEDC. Basically, you are assigning all your partner functions to the account group. Click on save. So select a key, just ignore the warning message. So we assigned all the partner functions to the account group. Now let us see this is also done. Fourth one, sorry, fifth one also done. Fifth one also completed. Now here partner function SHF4 conversion is not. So let us me check the conversion also. So partner function. So this is language, English language SH. So this is only language specific. It is not required, sir. We can ignore this one. There is no conversion here. This is what we have partner functions here. So partner functions position SH. So it is already there. No need to define anything. It's already there. So what we defined is we defined one. This is the second one, and we defined the third one. Okay. and also we defined account groups function assignment. That's it, sir. And partner functions, this is already provided by SAP, and this is partner function conversion. This is also not required because it is already provided. But I'm getting only this is the only one doubt, but it's not there in our tracker also. Just ignore this message.
Okay.
Okay, so partner function SHFO. So that is this is already there partner function. So coming back to the, so this is also there, partner function also there. So till here, account group as an account group, position partner function, account group, that is fine. So that is fine. So this is not required. All this is not required. So as of now, we defined all this, sir. Okay, one we defined here. The second we selected this one and double click here. So you'll get your respective partner determination procedure assignment. So we assign your partner determination to the respective account group, and this account group is assigned to the partner functions. Okay, here under account groups function process. This is partner functions. It is a standard provided partners functions to respective, this is what you say, partner type, and account groups we already assigned this one. Partner function conversion, this is one. So partner functions, this is when I checked it, it is already there, like sh, it is already there. So partner type, it's already there. Array group also, it's already there. So these are the different partner types. Okay, so different partner types, customer KU, it's there, no need to update anything. So this is done, sir. So little tricky, not tricky. Basically, you're assigning your account groups, partner functions, partner procedure, partner determination procedure. That's it. So two settings here. What else we have? Now the major picture is coming now. Again, pricing procedure. Yesterday we discussed tax procedure, right? So similarly,
Mm-hmm.
like tax procedure, we have pricing procedure from the SD side. So SD consultants will create different pricing procedures. Okay. So pricing procedure, under pricing procedure, you will see all the condition types, and for all these condition types, you will have account keys. For all those account keys, you will have GL accounts. The same similar like tax procedure. So pricing procedure, V/08. Here, what I mentioned is just keep it only those condition, delete all other condition types. That is fine. Go to the V/08 slash O V. Okay, this is coming from the path, right? So I'll just open another screen. Okay, both are in the same screen, I think. Slash O V slash 08. Now, now SAP has meant, so if you look at here, we have standard pricing procedure. Copy this one, RV AA01. So position. So RV AA01. Continue. Select this one. Click on copy. So just you can change the identification. So don't change any standard one. Okay, just give your own identification. So this is pricing procedure for Telu. Telu pricing procedure. Okay, this one also can change pricing procedure to your relevant one. Telu pricing procedure. Press enter. So you'll get this screen. Copy all. So under this pricing procedure, you have hundreds of condition types. So you should use the control counter only for manual item conditions. Just ignore that message. So continue. Continue. So 63 condition types has been copied. Click on save. Continue. Now you can see, sir, what are the different condition types. So Telu PP, click on control data. So these are the different condition types like discount, price, okay, material. We have many condition types are there. For these condition types, we have these account keys. For these account keys, you will have GL accounts. Okay. So system based on the transaction, system will respective will search for the entry and will pick the GL account for the right combination. So
Okay.
this is again okay. We will be coordinating with the SD team. Will be I mean this part will be taking about we will be taking care on this part account keys and the GL accounts. But this is something that they know the SD related, the what you say, sir, rebates, discounts, calculations, and everything. They will discuss with the business client and they will prepare some pricing procedures from their side. So it's just for now, this is sufficient for our for understand for testing our scenarios.
Mm-hmm.
So this is fine. But here I mentioned here basically what I mentioned here. Select procedure, control data, select all data, delete all items except. So basically I've just selected only few required important sales condition types. Okay. So price related, pricing procedure. So all the important condition types. Now come back to the OVKK. Now determination of pricing procedure. OVKK. So OVKK. So here we need to assign your sales area to the pricing procedure. Click on new entries. What is sales organization? Telu. And your distribution channel TE, division also TE. What is the next one, sir? What is this one? Document pricing procedure. Have we defined something? What is A? A is nothing but standard. Okay. Document pricing procedure is A. And what is customer pricing procedure? So customer also pricing procedure is a standard one. Pricing procedure, we need to assign your pricing procedure here. So we define pricing procedure, right? So Telu. So Telu pricing procedure, what is this one? Condition type. Yeah, this is your assigning to the main pricing condition type. Sir, is this is clear? Click on
Yeah.
save, continue. So what we have done here, we have assigned pricing procedure and condition to the sales area. That's it. To the standard document and to the standard pricing procedure. This is also done. And now this is another one, sir. In FISD, in SD, from the SD's perspective, the GL accounts will be determined based on this one, sir. This one. Okay. The
Mm-hmm.
combinations. So we have to create account assignment for customer, account assignment group for materials. There are two are there here. Okay. So OVK8 and OVK5. Okay. Let us check from here from tomorrow, sir. Okay. So
Yeah.
one,
Yeah.
two, three. So here we need to define two account groups. And before taking this one, I'll take you to the VKOA first. Then I'll show you this one. So I'll just mark it here.
Okay.
VKOA transaction. I'll show you here. No, will not define now, but I'll show you. First, I'll explain this one. Then we'll start with this one because GL accounts will be determined based on certain parameters. Those from those certain parameters, we have two parameters here. Storage location, yes, we need to define. Shipping points also again assignment. Creation of GL accounts. Okay, GL account, at least one GL account will be created, and we have different combinations as I mentioned. And also we need to create. So we need to create finished good material. But sir, we need to create one material type, right? Raw material type,
Mm.
semi-finished goods. So for this one, we need to create material type, and also we need to create some valuation classes also for the finished goods. And start with customer master. So basically, in tomorrow's class, at least we'll try to do as much as possible. Otherwise, we'll take one more, two more classes. Fine, sir.
Okay. Sure.
So no hurry. I'll just stop this.